Hi everyone, Mary Lou here. I'm so excited today because I participated in a Halloween swap, a halfway to Halloween swap, and this was in June, and I filmed mine and I showed my outgoing Halloween swap. And so now, today, I got my incoming, and so I'm going to open it and show you what I got. I'm so excited because this is my first ever incoming from a swap. I've never done a swap before this one, and so I'm pretty excited. And so, I see a tag here. Okay, so this is my swap partner is named Kathy, and so hopefully I'll get more information in here about if she has social media and where to go to see, but I'm going to open everything up and we'll see what is in here. And first off, I love these zipper bags. I like to use them for my quilting stuff. Excellent. Okay, and everything's all wrapped up and nicely packaged. Oh, so cute. Okay, so one of the required elements was this box, this embellishment box, and it was all the same size. I love this. I love how colorful it is. Oh, and so it was the embellishment box with a cover. And that is so cute, Kathy. I love all the layering. I love the glitter paper. And do you want to see this? Anne is here. She might want to join me in looking at this. Come sit down here. But I love the ghost, the boo, all the glitter paper, so much layering. It's beautiful. Oh, I love it. And now let's look at the embellishments. So many fun things. Do you want to sit down here by me, Anne, and take a look? Look at this. Oh, man. Oh, look at all the pretty things. There's bone, and those are beads. Those are bone beads. Those are so cute. And then here we've got some pretty beads that are little ghosties. Here's a great idea. I didn't think to do this. She put little Halloween paper behind every box. I love that. Such pretty beads. And then what is this? It's kind of a squishy, it's a bead of a little monster. So cute. Look at these little, oh, I love it. I've just recently got into beading and everything, so those are so pretty. Those are, it looks like they're cabochons. They don't have holes in them, but I know we can use those. And then look at these monsters. Oh, they're spiders. Those are little spiders in there. Oh, there's so many treasures in this little square. Look how pretty that is. That is so pretty. It's a little pumpkin bead. I love these colors. I do like pretty colors. And then look at the skeletons. Here, Anne, hold out your hand. I'm going to put some of these in your hand to look at. Look at how cute those are. These are dangles, little charms. And then look at these. Oh my goodness. Look at this. This ghost. I love it. Here, let me trade you. Hold it here so that, hold it so everybody can see it. I'll put these back in here. I love it. And look, there's a key. Oh, and it's sort of a Mardi Gras mask. I love these charms. These are so pretty. Wow, I love them. I don't have anything like this. These are beautiful. Oh, look how colorful that one is. What do you think? Aren't those pretty? I love them.
Even more in the box.
Yeah, and then look at this. There's a pumpkin and an eyeball. And look, oh my goodness, look at this. Let me get my little hook thing here. Look at these cats. They have a very vintage look. I remember cats at Halloween time looking like that when I was little. I love them.
Mom?
Love them. Yes, and these ghosts. Oh my goodness. Kathy, you have included so many pretty things in this embellishment box. I'm very excited about this, and I don't have anything like this. So I've not seen any of these, so I don't know where they've come from. Because I've never seen them before. And look at these fun little squishy balls here in all these colors. Oh, more charms. Witch's hat.
Oh, boy.
Oh, and a haunted house. I love these. Oh, they're so pretty. I definitely will use those. And these are making me want to do some beading. And I love that in these two little parts of the box, she just took out that middle place. Oh, look at that ribbon. Halloween ribbon. And look at those. They're like jingle bells, but they're Halloween, and the green and the purple. Oh, look at that ribbon. I will definitely use those. I love it, Kathy. I love everything that you put in this embellishment box.
Wait,
I don't.
name is Kathy?
Yeah, the person that sent this is named Kathy. I don't know her, but
you don't know her.
So far I love her style. I think it's so pretty. Okay, I love that. Oh, look, and she even did a little handle so that you can easily pull the box out. Love it.
Wow.
I love this style. Okay, let's see what else now.
I want to know what
this is the main part of the box.
Wait,
so I'm going to move this. So here is that tag from Kathy.
Oh,
and I love the
that
black
was from
tool.
her?
Yeah, this whole package is from Kathy. So I love that. Love the packaging. Okay, let's open it up and see what's in here. So exciting. Oh, look at this. Some Halloween socks.
But
So
I want those.
Yeah, one of the things that they said to include is a gift, like a crafter's choice item, and just a sort of a little gift. But look at those ghost socks; those are fabulous.
I want those.
I love this, Kathy. I love notebooks. If anyone's been around me very long, they know I love notebooks. And look how she made it with a little spot to hold the pen. Oh. And their zip-it notes are, little, look at this. I love it. With the pocket, that is an excellent little notebook. Love that. Okay, and then here is another surprise. Oh, boy. Oh, this is fun. I often include these Hershey bars in my things that I give away. And so this is so pretty. Look at the bow.
But what kind
Professional
of
candy collector. I love this.
Do you know what kind of Hershey bar is it?
Let's see. It is the Hershey bar with almonds and special dark. Very yummy. I love that little box. Oh, and look at this little clip with a spider. Love that. That is a very clever little box. It's been hot, so it doesn't surprise me that they melted, but they actually came through very well. I love that box. And the paper.
Do you want to try those?
I think we're going to have to. Okay. Love that. Okay, so here is the main part. Oh, this is so fun. When I sent mine, I used these same dies to create the same little purse basket. And I love how Kathy did this. I have used this bow die. It's one of my favorites. This purse die and this bow die are some of my very favorites that I've used over and over. But what I love is to see how Kathy did this. And hers, she has stepped it up a level because she used, look at that shaker stuff in there. She turned hers into a shaker purse. I love it. I love this little ghost in the middle of the bow.
What's in there?
I love this. And so here's her personal information, made with love by Katie's Corner. I love that. And look at the little tag with the pocket. She covered every part of it. Oh, and she did stitching, wow, around everything. Look at that. Wow. I love that she turned it into a shaker.
What's in there?
Okay, should we look and see what's inside?
Yeah, I want to know what's in there.
Okay, would you like to pull out something from the basket?
Yeah, do you want to take all?
Take one thing out and we'll make it there. Okay, let's see what that is. Oh, here's a little envelope.
An envelope.
What's in here? Oh, she sent me a die. Oh, how wonderful to make spiders, and the little eyeballs are included. That is so nice of you, Kathy, to send me a die. That's so nice. And look at that cute envelope.
But she knows that you love those, right?
Well, she doesn't know me, but it's like she did because she's included all kinds of things that I love. And look at this boo die. And I have this one too, but I look at how she has made some of the dies I have, and I'm so impressed. Oh, I love it. And she used like tulle over the O's. Oh, so pretty. Okay. Oh, I'm so excited to see what's next. Okay, pull something else out. Let's see. Look at this bag. This is embossed paper, and then she sewed it and includes this cute paper clip with a skull. What is in here?
Is it candy?
Oh, we were to include several dies, and they needed to be layered. So look, oh, I am so going to be using these. I love to see how people layer things because I'm trying to learn other people's styles. I love it. Look at these words. I will so for sure use these.
Yeah, do it, Mom.
Candy, Witch, Scary Ghost, Boo, and 31st. Love that. And look at that. That Halloween, she used a glitter cardstock, but underneath is some craft foam in orange. Love that. I love your colors. I love your layering style. Okay, what's next, Dan? Okay, so another paper clip, and they're all in Halloween colors with the bow. Let's see what's in here. More dies. Wow, she went over and above. Bite me.
No.
Bull, Boo, and Haunt. Oh my goodness, these are so fantastic. Okay, pull the next one out. Let's see. Oh, I love these clips.
Is there a tree?
It's not a tree. Look at that. Oh, the witch's boots. Oh, those are the prettiest. Look at them. Man, the detail in those. I love those. I've never seen that die, and I love that. And I'm still going back to how cool these paper bags are. Okay, let's see. There's something. What is this? Oh, I think these things were inside of there. How clever is this? Look at that. It's a double pocket. Eat, drink, and be scary. And these little flower things are really cool. Look how she did a border all in spider webs. Love that. Oh, yeah, and there's the information. Made with love by Katie's Corner. That's the person that made it. So, yeah, her thing says Kathy, but this is Katie's Corner. So I have a daughter named Katie. And so I think these were all fitting in there, and that's where all those dies were coming from. I'm amazed at how much that pocket will fit. I love this idea and could be used for any holiday. I'm wondering if it's paper cut that way or if she has a die, but I love that. These pockets, they're just so cool. Okay, let's see. Let's take those. Okay, so these are separate. So let's see what's next. Oh, purple flower. Oh, layered tags. Oh, I will so use these. Look at that. Oh, they're bag toppers. I love that because they'll really decorate things up like this. Oh, I love it. Look at these eyeballs. How interesting. So beautiful. I love that bag topper and the way she did the two different ghosts in the purple glitter and then the white. Oh, so fun. Here's a clip with a spider web. I hope this is all in camera. Okay, let's see what's in here. Oh, I have seen these. Look at that. It's a little plastic pocket, and it's got cabochons in there. And then look at the fun dangles. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. I love that. I've never made those. I've seen others make them, but I've never made them myself, and now it makes me want to do some of those. Oh, here we go. There's an orange clip with a pumpkin. Though I don't know where you get all of those cute cabochons and beads and dangles. Oh, look at this. It's a shaker bat with a skull candle. Love that. Pretty papers, really pretty papers. Oh, so fun. And here is the last little surprise. Look at the inside of her purse. The pretty paper. Everything is finished just to the detail, and I love that. And then a black clip with a bat. And let's see what's here. Oh, the bows. I love the bows. Oh, she has used such pretty paper. And then last one. Oh, I love that, the purple. And to use that layered flower. I love it. I love all of it. Wow. Okay, Katie, Kathy, or Katie's Corner. I love all of it. You have just done everything so beautifully. The attention to detail, the neatness of the work. It is just fantastic. I love it so much. Thank you for the extra gifts. Thank you for taking the time and really making everything beautiful. I absolutely love it. For my first incoming swap, I couldn't be happier. You have really gone over the top. Thank you so very much. You did a great job, and I surely appreciate appreciate it. So I hope everyone enjoyed seeing my first ever incoming swap, and I hope you have something fun, wonderful, and happy today. And Ann and I will see you next time. Bye.
You're funny, Mom.